So hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are fine and safe. So today I'm going to show you, I will not say today, so these are the two elements which we will require in this video. So these are the 2 gallons of oil. So these are not completely colored, they are partially colored. So in step number 1 I will completely color the 2 gallons. So we'll color in 3 2 1 and go. So in step number 2 I will outline my character into my desired look or desired the facial structure. So now I am making the ear with the earrings. So this is the ear, now I have to cut it. So after cutting, these are the 2 ears, this is the jaw part. So now I am making the nose ring. So I am making a circle, so we will cut it. So after making the circle, we will make the ring inside. So this is the ring, this is the lower facial part, these are the 2 ears. So let's color it and paste it there. So this I am making or coloring the lower facial parts. So this we have colored, so we have to highlight it. So this is how it's look like after coloring and after making it a bit highlighted. So this is how I have painted my character into an headgear, so tribal headgear, sorry. So this is the cloth and this is the eyes, so made with paper. This is the nose ring, this is I have attached and pasted with glue. So this is feathers made with soft board and this is cloth for the support. So now I will paste it. This jaw part or the lower part will be fixed here. So this is how it will be looking after pasting. So now I am taking a thread and making it half fold. So after fold I will paste here a pendant. So this is a pendant, basically it is like a bone shaped pendant. So now I will paste it using the sellotape. So this is how it's look like after pasting. So now it will be hanged on the structure. So this is the structure. So this is the structure, we have to fix the pendant in the structure. So this is how it is looking. Is it not coming? So this is the lower jaw part, so I have fixed it using the sellotape again. This is the pendant. So I have made a female character right now, so it is not coming completely to the camera. So let's see again. Yes, this is how it's looked like completely. So I have told that this is a female structure what I have made. So similarly I have made a male, so this is a male face and that is a female face. So you can also make that and you can hang it on the wall. So for hanging I have made a hole. So now I will fix a wire, a metallic wire, and I will tape it using a hard tape. So now we will hang it. So this is how it's looked like after hanging. Oh yes, it's looked very amazing. This is a tribal headgear. You can hang it on your wall for the traditional look. So this is very easy and very cheap. You can easily make it in your home. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you all have liked my video. Till then, be safe, take care, see you, have a good day, bye bye, see you in the next one. Like, share and subscribe.